So you've bought a MacBook Neo and you've been told it can only support one external monitor up to 4K 60. What if I told you I've got it here connected to two external monitors, and one of them monitors is an old Android tablet and it didn't cost me a thing? Let me explain. Obviously with the MacBook Neo we treat it almost like an iPhone, and you get them limitations with the USB-C ports on the side, so we get no Thunderbolt, so technically you don't get multiple monitor support, technically. But you do get a USB-C 2 port and a USB-C 3 port. Now, connecting one monitor to the USB-C 3 port, you'll get that one external display. The other way to actually get another display is very easy. If you've got a spare iPad, make sure you're logged in to the exact same Apple account as you are on your Mac. And then when you go into the control center, go on AirPlay, it should pop up asking you if you want to extend your display to the iPad. Easy enough. You click on it and there you have an extra display. But you can also do this on an old Android tablet. And what I've got here is just my son's tablet. Don't tell him I took it. And I've got Mac OS, as you can see, running fully. And it didn't cost me a penny. So what you have to do is go to the Play Store. There is numerous different apps you can actually download, but I just searched for AirPlay and the top app was this one that I'll show on screen, and it said AirPlay, didn't say extra charges. Usually when it says extra charges or in-app purchases, that means that you're either going to get a trial version or they're going to ask you to buy the full version once you download the app. We don't want that. This one, at least for now, says completely for free, doesn't ask for any payments. So I was actually mistaken. It seems like the app is also a paid app. You do get like a 5 or 10 minute free section, but then it asks you to pay. But to be honest with you, if you're going to be using this constantly throughout the year, £10 for a year and you get a 14-day free trial is not a bad thing at all. And even if you want to do it monthly, it's only £1 a month. So if you're going to be using that constantly to transfer or extend the display of your MacBook Neo to an older tablet, it's definitely worth the money. And then you'll go on your Mac OS system, Control Center, click on AirPlay, and the name should pop up in the AirPlay section. Once you click on it, you'll get a pop-up on your actual MacBook Neo asking you what kind of display do you want to use this as. Do you want to mirror your main display? Do you want to use it just to display a certain application, or do you want to have it as an extended display? Obviously we want extended display. Now I will say that even though you've got an extended display here, I wouldn't use this display as like one for editing. Always use your main display or the one connected with the cable to your MacBook Neo as the one you're going to edit on or do a lot of mouse activity. Use the external display either to have notes on, have a script on if you're recording a video, or just to watch a video. Surprisingly, I thought there would be input lag when it comes to the video and the sound. But no, when I play the video on this, the sound actually comes from the tablet instead of the MacBook Neo, which is another good thing, and it all seems to be in sync perfectly fine. So that is how you can use an old Android tablet. Maybe you have one at home, or you can just buy one for very cheap if you want to grab one to use with your MacBook Neo. This one is quite small. I think it's like a 9-10 inch one. You can get bigger ones, and it's not one of the latest and greatest, so when it comes to power, it's not the most powerful tablet out there, but it does the job and it works very well. So that goes to show you don't need one of the top of the range tablets to get the best performance for this. So yeah, that's how you connect two external displays to the MacBook Neo and have fun with it. Now I know there is ways online I've seen where you can connect multiple 3-4 displays to the MacBook Neo, but then you have to go out, purchase different kinds of hubs, different cables. At least this way, if you've got an old tablet at home, whether it be an old iPad or an Android tablet, you can use that without paying a penny. So hopefully that video helped you. If it did, remember to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Like the video and share it with your friends and family who want to see different kinds of tech content, or they want to see how to extend their MacBook Neo display to an old tablet or an iPad. So as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.